Hi everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of July 2021 has in store for the sun sign Leo. For Leos, the month of July is all about haste makes waste. Yes, so for the month of July, see to it that nothing that you do or anything that you do, for the month of July, whether it's personal or professional, nothing has to be done for a short term period. All the decisions, particularly that you make for the month of July, are supposed to be for the long term. So let's say, for example, in the space of your career, a lot of decisions are supposed to be made by you at your workplace. This month is going to be a month of a lot of plannings and less of executions. There is a possibility that at your place of work you might be faced with a project, or an upcoming project will be actually a big one instead of a small one. There are chances that you might have been expecting a project which would, let's say, get over in 2 months or 3 months or maximum 6 months, but actually you will be faced with a project whose execution would take a very long tenure, let's say at least 2 years or 3 years and 4 years. So at your place of work, see to it that you lay out the plans of your project in absolute full minute details, because the project is going to be a long one and its execution would require a lot of finesse. For people who are, let's say, not faced with such kind of projects and are normal office goers and who are not independent and just normal office going people, see to it that for this particular work of July, you keep all your work prepared and finished in advance. If that is not possible, just see to it that your planning at your place of work is very perfect. If not so, you will actually see that your work will start pending if in case you're not properly planned. Because for this month, any project or any work that you think is going to be over in a day or two is actually going to take more than that. So give yourself the required, or let's say a little bit of extra time kept aside for your work to do, and that will take care of the entire month. When it comes to matters of finances, your investments are absolutely in place, and hence if in case of an unexpected expense or any kind of a financial expense that is to be incurred for the month of July 2020, you will feel and you will find yourself feeling very protected, because your investments are absolutely going to be by your side. Your financial expenses will absolutely be taken care of. However, this is a month where you can expect a little bit of delay in the payments that are going to come in. So see to it that you plan your expenses accordingly. So a little delay could actually mean a check that was going to arrive on the 15th of July comes by the 20th, or someone is supposed to make you a payment but some last minute plans got changed and the payment comes in late. So a little bit of delay is expected in matters of finances, but apart from that, there is no financial problem that would be faced. So all your finances are absolutely taken care of. Just again see to it that your financial expenses are well planned, and the incoming finances are first taken care of, and then the expenses can be made later. This month of July particularly warms the Leos when it comes to communication in matters of relationship. For this month, the Leos are actually advised to exercise a lot of restraint in the way they communicate with their loved ones. Well, you will have to mindfully consider the emotions of your loved ones, and for this particular month, not apply your logic but apply your emotions and heart in the matters of relationships. That would really prove very useful to you in handling your relationships. Alternatively, there could also arise a situation from your past that could make you extremely bitter about a casual remark that is passed by any of your relatives or any of your loved ones that could actually send you in a rage. In case you're faced with any such kind of a incident where you feel that you've been verbally hurt by your own people, just see to it that instead of retaliating in a negative manner and hurting the feelings of your loved ones, you just sit them down and have a very clear cut communication to them, explaining your problem and thus solving the inner core issue of the problem, rather than just lashing out of at your people and hurting them and actually making a mess of the entire situation in itself. So, whether someone hurts you or whether you are just internally hurt by a memory of a past incident, sensible and smooth communication is really going to be required and will aid you in smoothing out the creases of the relationship. Moving on to the area of health, a break would actually do you better. So let's say even if it is a 1 day or a 2 day break to a, let's say, a farmhouse, or let's say to a desired location of your choice, a location which is kind of open and filled with natural beauty, it will actually cool your senses down. There is no problem in the health wise. It is a very beautiful month for the Leos. It's just that try not to get agitated, emotionally agitated for this entire month. You might feel a little bit restless and patienceless with the speed at which things are going, and a little bit hassled with the way things internally in your relationships are going. And hence, health wise, not taking stress is the best decision, handling things with a lot of grace and dignity, and yes, taking that nice required physical break, visiting a location of your choice would actually do wonders for your health. So this is all for the Leos for the month of July 2021. Here's wishing you a very, very happy and a beautiful July 2021.